This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Nicole Piette. Come see this bright open floor plan with vaulted ceilings located on a private cut-de-sac. This house features a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless appliances, and breakfast area overlooking large, private backyard that is huge. Large primary bedroom with ensuite bath. All bedrooms are nice size with plenty of closet space. Extra access to storage in the primary bedroom. The roof is only 3 years old. This home has a 2-car garage. All new carpet upstairs. Shed is conveying as is. For more information, review the details below.